Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to reveal a new bag that I received. I hope I will not mess up with this video because I'm overexcited, and when I'm overexcited and emotional, it's not a good sign. I did recently my dream bag collection, and I did a list that I want to work for, and I put my money towards that bags. However, this bag was not on the list, but when I received it, I was like it's everything that I wanted to have about the bag, and I can say it was my dream bag. I was living with the thought of this bag for 3 months, and the more I thought about it, the more excited I get. Normally I have like 1 month of a bag crash, and then I change for something else. With this bag I was like, yeah, it's so good, so good. I really like it. So yes, so I received this bag. I don't want to have a long rant or story behind it. I just want to show you the bag and say why you should pay attention to this bag, and if you want, why you should buy it. Let me unbox it. So I received this bag from my Teresa. Looks like this, and it's Balmain bag. When I saw it, I'm like, this is such a rare piece. I don't see it much with all these fashionistas, and that's a good sign. And it looks so good and practical. Pretty tired, so heavy. So let me unbox it. I already recreated, you know, I was not very skillful, but I tried to recreate how it looked like, and because I opened it to check whether it was okay with this bag before doing this video. So it's not actually like a true unboxing that I did before. However, let's pretend that it's like we receive it and we are unboxing it together. So as you can see, the brand is Balmain, and I didn't think that I would buy a Balmain bag. Okay, blazer, yes, but a bag from Balmain, like, no, I don't think so. But never say never. Let's unbox it. I will put this box away. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you Balmain B Buzz 23 tote. It is crafted in Italy, and it is a lightly textured lamp leather, and this black design is accented by like kind of vintagey look like golden hardware, including the house's logo at the front flap. It has a top handle, it has the removable shoulder strap, which is so beautiful. Let me show you up close. So this is shoulder strap. It says Balmain here. It also has the iconic Balmain buttons. Like, it's very edgy and statement shoulder strap. So it looks like this. The back side has the pocket right here, so it's very nice to put your phone here. When you open, it has the magnetic closure, and we have some tissues. Beautiful suede lining. I love this color, this kind of beige suede. It's so posh. Also, we have a little pocket right here, so it says made in Italy, Balmain, and we have the zip pocket right here, and some cards, authenticity cards, and how to take care of the bag. So this is the design. It's very simple but very classy, and for me now the simplest the better. I don't know why. I like statement bags, but I also want to have a practical bag that fits a lot, and also, like, you know, you can use it every day and actually enjoy wearing it.
There are 4 ways how you can wear this beautiful bag. First of all, with a shoulder strap, but wearing as a top handle bag, or as the brand shows itself, in a fashion way. Then wearing on one shoulder. Then crossbody. And then remove the shoulder strap, and you can wear this bag just as it is, using top handle.
Let me explain why I love this bag so much and why I decided to go for it. So first of all, it's a beautiful bag, like really, it's so beautiful. Second of all, I never seen like this bag on somebody. I really like to have unique pieces but beautiful, so yeah, so I will be the first to wear it, at least maybe in Zurich, right? The leather seems to be very wearable, so it has these little grains, so I think to protect from scratching, from nail scratching, so I really hope it's wearable. The next thing, that it is a classy, beautiful black bag, very elegant, so the size is just the right one to put some bits and bobs like my camera, my phone, my wallet, etc, etc. And it's a very good classy bag. However, if you attach the shoulder strap, it became very edgy and cool. So you have two styles of a bag in one. Also, maybe I'm wrong, but somehow this bag reminds me Birkin 25, and you know, with this kind of details and with a, you know, it's a modern twist, like a designer quality twist of very expensive bag, as we called it in my family, Cristiano Ronaldo in a bag world. A good, like, kind of inspired style of the very expensive Birkin bag, and it looks like the same. You have this classy vibe, you have the designer bag, so why should you pay more? About the price, and if you consider to buy this bag, mine was a present from my husband, so he got the award of Husband of the Year, and I think the best place to buy is in Theresa, and also the price is very competitive. Plus you can, what we did, we used 10% on our first order, so we got it for less, and the taxes were already included, which is great because I live in Switzerland. They tax everything. Every post you have to pay something. Every post you have to was really handy, that they cover the transport taxes, the import taxes, and you just receive the bag and think about nothing. So that was really great. So if you're interested, I will put the link in the description box so you can check it out, and you can check the price of this baby as well. Things that you need to pay attention buying this bag, and I think it's very handy to mention. Because the first impression is super, but you know, there are some flaws that I think you need to know. I never seen an unboxing of this bag on YouTube, so if I'm first, I'm very happy to help you. So the first thing, the leather can be crunchy, so you need to check how it looks like when you choose your bag, so there are no like scratches, but sometimes because it like sits shapeless, you can have some lines in leather. So this is number one. Number two is stitches right here. I saw the manufacturing video of this bag and I was so interested. I will put the link also in description box so you can check. So pay attention to these corners, because it's here when sometimes there were some flaws in stitches. However, if it's a designer bag and you pay that much, there should be no flaws. So another thing is when you wear it top handle, sometimes I like to put my hand through and wear it like on my wrist. However, this bag, maybe the leather will stretch, but it's not very comfortable. I feel like it is not comfortable at all to wear it like this. Always need to hold it, so you can't wear it on your wrist. If you want to have it hands-free, you attach the shoulder strap and it will help you. I love this bag. Looking to buy a new designer bag, I think this is a very nice bag. It also has some cute legs here. You see, so it's adorable bag. It fits a lot, it's nice, it's versatile, it can be classy or can be edgy. It's from a very well-known house of Balmain. It has some model with a fringe here, but I think this one is better version because it is more classy. So when you have the fringe here, it brings like the boho kind of style, and it's not that classy, but I love it like this. And yeah, very happy that I got it. And I hope you like this unboxing. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to check the description box, and I will see you very soon in the new video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.